Hello! Hello, welcome back to Jeff Review. As of making this video, we are under the strictly enforced enhanced community quarantine here in the Philippines. Well, at least in Luzon. What this means is kami right now here in Metro Manila, we can't really go out of our homes except to get essentials like kapag pupunta kami sa groceries to buy food or buy medicine, for example, from pharmacies. Interestingly, some businesses have also adapted to the current situation. For instance, right now, yung mga fast food, hindi sila open for dine-in. So, you can still get fast food pero for takeout lang and deliveries. And, of course, this affected their businesses. So, for instance, si McDonald's, for example, you can now buy yung frozen nila na McNuggets. So, ikaw bibili ka per pack. Tapos, ikaw na yung magluluto sa bahay ninyo. So, they have adapted in that way na parang they are still able to sell their products kahit na closed yung mga stores nila para din ma-avoid yung food waste. So it's a win-win situation kasi tayo, we still get to eat the food that we're craving for, yung mga hindi natin makakain ngayon kasi sarado yung mga restaurants. At the same time, win din for them kasi at least hindi nila nasasayang yung food na they have on stock. So na-release pa rin nila yun for circulation. So one of those restaurants, aside from McDonald's, is yung kalaban naman ni McDonald's, si Jollibee. When you talk about Jollibee, syempre yung Chickenjoy, yung pinakasikat sa kanila. Pumunta kami sa Robinson Supermarket earlier this week, and then look, meron kaming nakita. Chickenjoy something. Chickenjoy. Assuming na ito yung chicken na supposedly niluluto ni Jollibee for their restaurants kasi may nakalagay actually dito sa pack, not for sale, for Jollibee use only. So you can really tell na as in itong pack na to, siguro ito yung ginagamit nila for their restaurants, pero since closed yung restaurants, ni-release na lang nila, binenta na lang nila to the supermarkets for everyone. So, finally, and for the first time, I think, people would be able to make their own legit na Chickenjoy. Legit in the sense na yung mismong manok galing kay Jollibee. Pero, of course, how you flavor it, how you bread it is up to you na kasi syempre, trade secret yun ni Jollibee, hindi nila i-release. What we're going to do, we'll try to recreate the Chickenjoy as much as we can. Using their own chicken, I'm not sure if this is marinated, mukhang hindi. So, normal chicken lang ba siya? We don't know. We're not sure. Okay, so these are going to be the ingredients for our own homemade Chickenjoy. First, we already have the chicken from Jollibee, the legit Jollibee chicken. But now, for the breading naman. What we're going to use is, of course, ito, si all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and then for yung mga pampalasa niya, of course, there's salt and pepper, the usual, and then may garlic powder din. Chinese 5-spice, aka ngoyong. So, ang gagawin natin, ihalo natin siya with the flour and the cornstarch, yung mga spices na to, and then, hopefully, we get as close as we can get to the actual Chickenjoy na lasa. So, let's start! Tada! Look at that chicken. So, you be the judge. Hindi ko claim na mukha siyang Chickenjoy. Pero, kayo bahala kung sa tingin nyo ay mukha siyang Chickenjoy or not. Pero personally, amoy Chickenjoy. So, Ano ba? Magmumukbang mode ba tayo? Ito siya. Okay, let's have a taste. Ha? Sarap. Okay. Iba yung lasa niya from the Chickenjoy, pero masarap. I think, sarap. I think, ang pinaka na-achieve nitong niluto nito is yung crispilicious, juicilicious Chickenjoy. Juicy yung juicy yung, wala, ang sarap niya. No kidding. Kahit walang kanin masarap, kahit walang gravy masarap. Ayan. Dito. Medyo harsh yung ilaw. Pakinggan niyo yung crunch ha. Sana narinig niyo yun. Crispilicious talaga. Yung pinaka-chicken itself, it reminds me of Jollibee. Hindi siya yung sobrang Jollibee Chickenjoy eksakto yung lasa. Pero it reminds me of Jollibee. It's good enough to remind me of the Jollibee Chickenjoy. Ang na-achieve na similar to the Jollibee Chickenjoy is yung pagka-crispy and pagka-juicy ng chicken meat. Pero feeling ko yung breading, ito yung medyo naiba na medyo iba yung lasa. Pero masarap pa rin siya. Sarap. Success. Even if without gravy, masarap. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button somewhere here below, and then there's also a bell button. Pindutin nyo rin yun, and then it will notify you if ever I have a new video coming up or if there's a new video na in-upload namin. Also, don't forget to follow us on our socials at JeffReview on everywhere, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye-bye!